I would say they have all the support we need. For instance, we are attending a Henry program for free and I'm gaining a lot of information as to how to bring up my family.
Being healthy for your kids and healthy in exercise.
I've learned a lot from my parents, but you're just not aware of certain things when you're raising a child.
We've got this playgroup which is lovely. I didn't know when I first had my kids, but now that I do know, it's a great place for the kids to be, and loads of things that you can learn, and if you have questions you can ask.
When I had the elder two, I didn't find anything that would help me. Then I didn't know nothing, being a first-time mum as well. It was all family, and it's family that covered it. Whereas when I had my young one, found out there was creches, there was a baby zone where you could take them.
Playgroup at BD for Family. It's quite a walk from mine, but I'm willing to walk it because it's one of the best playgroups around here.